Web tool part 8, stars and banners. Let's look at stars and banners under Microsoft Publisher. By clicking Microsoft Publisher, you can pick it from the current used, or you can go straight by clicking on window button onto your keyboard. Then you go straight to Microsoft Office, which is a suite that hosts Microsoft Publisher. When you reach there, you can still go to Microsoft Publisher, then you press enter onto your keyboard so that it can load the program. To load the program, you will see that we have some other features that are evident while trying to come up with this other new copy of the work. You can come up with this, which can as well be laid onto going to websites. Then you click onto website to load the banners and stars, which are also another tool that really can beautify your software under Microsoft Publisher by developing that software with those tools. So upon reaching here, you can edit some few things that you want, because this, remember, this is a software that can enable us to have changes just basing onto the template. So if we have this, you can as well say as well try to format the text box. You can look at the line color to that, then you can increase the that is the fill color. We can have color white. You can increase by picking whether we want single line. Then here let's have 3 lines, we can as well say, or you can also apply border to be bolding your table or shape. Or you can still say let's go and have these lines, then you can say, oh, so we are having the lines that are not really so visible, but we can as well bear with them. In here we have a shape, which shape we can as well also edit for future use. We can fill it with color, fill effect with colors. You can pick the color. You can pick this and say okay, then can say okay, then you can have it that way. Then you can as well say bring to font, so it covers the piece of this piece of our work, which you can also put in color white, and you can align it there. So we are having this. You may also take this out, then you put just 12. Then you can increase the size to 72. This is what we are having, /100. So if this is what we are having as our number, we can twist it a little bit to have something of this sort. If that is what we are having, you can also edit this and add text. Then you can put Kenya, Nairobi. So we can look at the the font. Can look at font color. So we can have this and say format auto shape. You can change the color to something like this, or more colors, more fill effect. You can choose from the center or from corners. You can have this. You can say okay. So in here, if you want to add change text, you can change auto fit text. Auto fit text. So we can leave that due to spare time. Now we have features. We can still go to our shapes that we wanted, mainly to put all the tools. We can as well you can continue to have this and say okay. So here it's what we are having there. We can as well come to the shapes that we want. You can pick from stars and banners. You can pick any of these. Then it's a matter of you editing that piece that you want. You can as well add text. Then you can put like 2000. You can edit in accordance to the size that you want. Oh, these are tools that can enable you come up with something which is very, very important and very vital while trying to design your stuff. I can as well reduce to that. Then the fill color, you can fill effect from diagonal. You can pick the color, more of the colors. You can pick this, then you can say okay. To diagonal or center or horizontal, you can say this, then you can carry it, then you say okay. So this is what we're having right now. This is what we're having. You can also increase the size of this somewhat more important. So in case you're trying to design something onto your web page, you can have it that way. So here we are having this. You can still change the font by picking here. You can change the font. You can drive to this and more. So those are some of the few items. You can still come back to all shapes, then stars and banners. You can pick at least even this. Is also another item that is very good, which you can as well also edit by either adding text. You can say new city paper, city papers. New city paper. You can. So new city paper. It's very wild. You can. Remember, design takes time. You can apply, then you can still come to edit the auto shape. You can put the fill color, more of your choice. You can fill the colors, then you can say okay. So this is what we're having. You can change the font. So here we have got the from through banners. You have got this, which can as well change to some other ways while trying to come up with the necessary design briefly onto the and you can as well have this briefly